what's in it dito sa Can't Buy Me Love na memorable, na hindi nyo malilimutan, and discoveries nyo sa isa't isa?
Ako, madami po. Madami kong firsts dito sa project. Kumain akong balon, wala na ako ng building. Lahat po. Yeah, so many of those, and at the same time, siguro, like, sobrang, I've been doing Caroline for how many months? 8 months? 8, and yeah, and ang dami ko rin na-discover sa kanya, and sobrang, like, every time I'm with the cast, with the Chu or the Binondo side, I could really say that they're my family outside of the show lang. And that's something that I would carry on even after this.
Yeah, sobrang dami po firsts din para sa akin. Actually, sa amin dalawa ni Bel, kasi yung teleserye, ibang usapan na yun kumpara sa Easy to Her, yung parang 12 episodes lang. Ito kasi, talagang we live and breathe our characters at times talaga. Hindi namin nakakalimutan na minsan may Donnie pa rin, may Bel pa rin. Kasi grabe, everyday na kami nag-shoot. And first time ko rin maranasan na ang daming tumatawag sa akin na bingo talaga. And doon ko nakikita na, okay, medyo pala maraming nanonood ng show, and it's nice because we got to also highlight the Chinese-Filipino side as well, diba? Sa Binondo. So, well, sa amin ni Bel, marami ding first, kahit marami na yung projects kami. Lalo na yung mga nakita nyo, yung upcoming scenes, yun, parang never pa namin naranasan yun together. So, I've learned so much from her as well, na hindi ko muna sasabihin ngayon. Siguro after na ng buong show, para makita nyo yung kalabasan. Pero, ang masasabi ko lang, sobrang proud.